Hello, this is Matt Swaim in the counseling office, and I'm one of the counselors here at Fishers High School. The purpose of this video is to provide an introduction to the Road Trip Nation interview archive resource that's in the Naviance account that all students have access to. Road Trip Nation is a wonderful resource for students who would like to find out more information about careers and specific jobs that are out there. Road Trip Nation has a number of interviews from people currently working in those career fields. So I think the best place to get started here would be a quick video that was done by Road Trip Nation that'll give students a quick overview of this program. So let's check out this video right now.
For more than 10 years, Naviance has helped students connect learning and life by linking their personal goals to college and career exploration. Hobson's is excited to announce a new partnership with Road Trip Nation that will inspire young people to further define their own roads in life. So, who is Road Trip Nation? It all started in 2001 when a group of friends took a road trip with this simple idea. Talk to people who do what they love, and you'll get a better understanding of how to build a life you love. What started as a road trip sparked a documentary series which has been airing on public television for nearly 10 years, along with live campus events and a continually expanding archive of student-centered videos with local, national, and international leaders. These interviews help students discover options for their futures by hearing the stories of others who have defined success on their own terms. Now, Naviance customers can add Road Trip Nation to Family Connection at no cost in order to give students insight from real-world leaders, which they can apply to the decisions they're making about their own futures. Students can watch video conversations with hundreds of accomplished individuals, ranging from CEOs of Fortune 500 companies to filmmakers, scientists, sports writers, entrepreneurs, political activists, and everything in between. Road Trip Nation interviews are conducted by young people who have candid conversations with leaders about their failures, triumphs, and navigating life's many challenges.
How did you deal with failure along your path?
What kind of fears followed you, or were there any?
What do you know now that you wish you had known when you were our age?
Students can see how successful people made decisions and overcame challenges, then apply those insights to their own lives as they prepare for their future. Road Trip Nation and Hobson's believe strongly in enabling students to choose college and career pathways based on what excites them the most. Thus, interviews are grouped by interest to help students find leaders doing things that align with their own unique aspirations. Students can choose from 29 interest categories such as law, education, environment, food, or music. We've also categorized interviews by themes such as fear, failure, risk, and determination, allowing students to hear stories from leaders who have overcome the very same issues students are facing. Exploring by themes lets students know they aren't alone with the issues they're dealing with and provides constructive advice on how to triumph over adversity. So go ahead and get your students started down.
So as you can see, Road Trip Nation has a lot of information, a lot of good interviews done by students to get unique perspectives on different careers. So now I want to show you how to access this. Basically, you're going to head over to log into your Clever login, and so that's clever.com, and just get logged in to your account. And once you log in to your Clever account, it should pull up all of your apps. So I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to click on my Naviance tab, and that'll get me set up. So when I come in and access Naviance, I'm going to come to the landing page here, and we're going to work under the career section. And you can see right here, Road Trip Nation Interview Archive. So I'm going to click on that, and that's going to take me here to this Road Trip Nation sort of homepage. All right, lots of different ways to access all of the information that are in here. And you can see, you can click on any one of these tabs. The video before was referencing, clicking based on interests or themes or the different people. But I'm going to take a little different approach. I'm going to click on the What's Your Road section. And so let's say I'm not real sure what kind of videos or what kind of careers I want to learn about. And I'm going to take answer some questions to kind of define what area maybe I'm interested in. So step 1 says, what things interest me the most? So they give us some options here. I'm going to say I like being physically active. And then it prompts me to answer another question. So let's say I like to be physically active and I like to be outside. And then step 3, the third thing, let's say that I like working in education. All right. So you can see it combined those 3 areas together, and then it's going to give me the overlap of those 3 areas of physically active, environment, nature, and education. And it's going to recommend a couple of speakers or a couple of interviewees that I can learn more about. So I'll click on this one, and you can see there's 13 videos with Susie Clark. And talking about her career, talking about her interests, and how she became involved in this outdoor science school. All right, and so if you just click on the video, there's a short little excerpt of different parts of her perspective on her career, how she got into it, and you can learn more about how she became involved in that specific career. All right. Let's say you already know what type of career you're interested in, or maybe a certain theme that you're interested in, and you want to learn more about that. You can do based on theme. So those are organized that way. Or maybe there's a specific person that you want to hear be interviewed. Let's say somebody that's a photographer. This has it sorted by occupation as well. And you can click on that person and then watch the same questions or similar questions that other career people who've been interviewed have been asked. All right, so basically this is like a career day all wrapped up in one online resource where students can access different videos and hear different speakers. So what we'd like you to do is we would like for you to hop on here, and you can start with the search by defining your areas of interest, or if you're not sure which videos you'd want to watch, you can define your road and answer those questions about yourself like I did a little bit ago. But we'd like for you to listen to 3 different speakers and kind of get their perspective, watch through all of their videos, and just kind of check those out, watch the videos all the way through, and take some notes about whether or not those are things that you might be interested in. Then once you've done that, we would want for you to go into the career section and go ahead and type the career in that you found that was most interesting from the videos you watched. So I'm just going to type education. I'm going to scroll down here, and let's say I want to be an administrator, education administrator, and I'm going to click on favorite. So I'm going to favorite that as a possible career for me. And this is cool because then my counselor can go in and see that that's a career area I've searched. Let's say there were 2 that were really interesting from the videos you watched. Let's say you're interested in law enforcement, and so you type in that you might want to be a police officer, click on that, and then favorite that one. So now you can see I watched some videos about educators and about police officers, and those 2 are in my favorites. So, and again, that lets your counselor see that you've completed the task and also that you have some interest in those 2 career fields. So thanks so much for watching my video. Please let us know if you have questions about how to access this Road Trip Nation and the career information available in Naviance. Have a great day.